Euro-Egypt Association for Training and Educational Consulting presents Connect Plus for Primary 2. Hello, children. Today, I am going to teach you some new words. Listen and repeat. Are you ready? First, let's learn that each one has a family tree. The first word is grandpa. Its letters are GRANDPA. The second word is grandma. Its letters are GRANDMA. The third word is dad. Its letters are DAD. The fourth word is mom. Its letters are MOM. The fifth word is brother. Its letters are BROTHER. The sixth word is sister. Its letters are SISTER. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to follow our page. See you soon. Bye-bye.